Hi everyone, welcome to another video. It's your boy Adiari from Smart Decisions, and today we're gonna take a look at, we're gonna unbox the Luna phone. Luna 1, aka Luna TG TG, what is the name of it? Sorry. TG, whatever. TGLS 800. Something. The Luna 1, which is a 2016 Korean flagship or Korean mid-range, I would rather to call it, started coming to America officially December 2017/2018. So this phone intrigued me because this is one of those phones that comes around and pass around and maybe you don't know about it. It's a great smartphone as a backup phone and for a lot of people as a premium phone because this phone got some special feature pack on it. This phone was made up by a South Korea company called Foxconn. If you don't know about that company is the one that assembles Apple's products. So the Southeast Korea specifically company, and we're gonna take a look at this great phone. I gotta say, it intrigued me at first when I saw it last year, and I say, and especially because if you care about that, it includes the bands, the American band. And also we're gonna talk about some cons. Obviously, no smartphone is gonna all smartphone gonna have some cons always. But yeah, that's a good thing and it's a bad thing. So the Luna 1, this smartphone was priced originally at alright guys, we're back in. My bad, I'm sorry. I had to take a call. I'm not gonna cut it, so let's put it right there as it is, raw. I know some people like it, and me included. I like things as real as they are because it's like you're being in backstage in the lab. So back in, where were we, man? Where were we? Because I even had to stop the video. I was recording at the afternoon and I had to stop. After the phone call, I had to stop everything and conclude the video. Basically do the video and finish the video in the great early hours in the morning. As a matter of fact, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, let's go. Let's continue. Where were we? We were, I think, I'll talk about the price. This phone was originally $400. Now this phone is $130. That is just ridiculous price because it's still a great phone. I think this phone should have been maximum at launch $300 maximum, but this phone at $200, I think this is the right price for this phone. $250, because even at $200 there's some good phones right now, budget phone, but this phone compared to those I think is kind of better. But we're going to speak a little bit about that. So this phone, $130, that's a ridiculous price. That's a must grab tomorrow morning for you. And for me, since I don't know, I'm always lucky with everything that I like. But for me, this phone was the big gift. This phone was the gift of $70. Believe it or not. I was so lucky enough. I found out. So do your research. It's fun when you do your research, and I found a seller shout out to that seller from eBay that he sold it to me brand new seal for $70. That's ridiculous. That's a gift. So for $70, for $130, even for $200, still I think for $200 this phone is still a go. Because comparing right now with the $200 phones, good phones from 2018, like the Honor 7X, those Redmi phones, As good as those phones are, this one compared to those is kind of better. The $200 phone basically are coming this 2018 with Snapdragon 625. This phone comes with the Snapdragon 801, so you're getting an 800 series. The design of this phone is so awesome. It's a unibody. This is the most aluminum unibody phone I ever seen, held, feel, and touch. This phone is out of the world. The feeling of this phone, the material is so awesome. To be honest, all of those iPhones, the OnePlus, all those aluminum phones, as good as they are, this one is better, feels better, and look better, and got some premium heavyweight on it. So this phone, see, we're talking about spec. This phone comes, like I said, with the Snapdragon 801, 800 chip, the Adreno 330 GPU. It comes with a 5.5-inch Full HD LTPS display with the resolution on 1080p, 401 ppi. It comes the operating system is the Marshmallow 6.0. Still, there's nothing bad about it. Like I say, not everybody is a rude head like me and some people I know, but it's a phone. Even I still got some Marshmallow phone, this one included. So since the performance being so awesome, I just leave it like that. So when you're having a smartphone or any device that's running smooth and buttery and great, just upgrade and root it when the phone start to lag and start to feeling kind of old. So the Snapdragon is a 2.5 gigahertz quad core. It comes with 3 gigs of RAM. The RAM management is so good in this phone. It got a 13 mega. This is another great feature. The body is a good feature. The screen is a good feature. But this is another great feature about this phone: the cameras. It comes with a 13 megapixel main camera with autofocus dual LED flash. The dual LED of this phone are really LED and bright, and it's awesome. And it comes with for a mid-range budget phone. It comes with a lot of features on those cameras, including portrait mode, night mode, desktop mode. I believe, I don't remember if it's those, but it's on light mode. It looks kind of good. It looks kind of seen in video alike. So I really like that mode. The front megapixel is a 8. The front facing cam is a 8 megapixel. The rear camera is got an aperture of 2.0, and the front camera is so good. The front camera is pretty good. It's as good, if to me, it's as great, if not better than the rear one. It's a 8 megapixel front camera with a 1.8 aperture. The con is that comes with 60 gigs of RAM internal storage, but you can expand up to 128 or 256 with an SD card, so that's a big plus. You got a dual micro SIM. That's kind of dated, dual micro SIM, so you're rocking with your nano SIM. Don't worry about it, because an adapter is easy to find, and you probably have it in laying around there that you don't even know it. So it's 4G LTE, which is awesome. It got the American bands if you care about that. The two most important features about this phone is that it got a SICK NFC for $130, $70 for me. It got NFC, and it comes with the most technology antennas yet. I went to some places that the signal, it wasn't supposed to work, and they work. So the setup is good on this phone. So yeah, that's basically of course the greatest feature of all time, the 3.5 millimeter audio jack, aka headphone jack. And all that good stuff, gyroscope, absolute proximity sensor, camera, all that good stuff, ambient light sensor. Like I said, it got some good premium weight. It weighs 186 grams, and it's packed with a 2900 milliamp battery. So that's basically the specs of this one. Let's take a look at the bus. Like you can see, the bus is kind of good. I don't know if you hear it, feel the vibration. This is one of the features that I like about this phone, that you pick it up and the phone vibrates. You don't even need to see another good feature. You got notification light, which is a must-have as a feature for me. But the phone vibrates every time you pick it up, so you already know that you got notification, because another great feature, the notification light, for those stalkers, friends, or girlfriend you have, the notification light after a period of time that you set up by yourself, let's say half an hour, it started lighting. So every time you call the phone and the phone vibrates, you know you got notification, so you're on point. The design is pretty good. As you can see, it's a nice bar with some Luna, the Luna phone, or Luna smartphone. Luna means in Spanish moon. So as you can see, this is the space, this is the air, we are in the moon. You can see the ping, the signal right there. That's a nice touch. I really dig in this design. You can see another planet. You can see, I really like this. Just taking Android on another level. So you can see it's pretty good design. I really like it. Let's see, we got some spec here. In the bus, say what is included in the bus: the adapter, USB. It's micro USB, but that was kind of expected, you know. No big deal, especially because it charges pretty good, so at least it's capable with quick charge. I've been charging with a quick charge charger, not with the one that included, because I don't think this charger is, but it charges pretty good. I think I tried, I don't remember, but with the quick charger 2.0, it charged kind of in an hour 45 minutes. With this charger, it's charging in 2 hours, so it's quick charge. Like I say, so it got band 1, 2, 4, 5, 12, and 17. So you already know it's gonna work with all the GSM carriers. Your CDMA carrier, you need to open a new line because you're not gonna be able to pick it. So like I said, yeah, Bluetooth 4.0, GPS, and NFC. Yeah, so some cool features right there. So you can see 5.5 display, the cameras, 1.8 selfie front cam. That's front camera is pretty good. The full metal body and NFC. And so let's open it. Like I said, I already opened. I've been using this phone for a while. And this phone is pretty good. There's some Luna right there also. The design of the box is pretty good. I really like it. It's kind of, that pattern that's kind of smoky in the black. So yeah, let's. All right, there you have it. This is the phone. It comes wrapped in this kind of offer. I really like this packaging. Okay, let's see. Okay. It vibrates against on the sound notification. The last test that I did is that I put it in the box, charge up. I think it's been in the box for a whole week and still got some juice in the battery. So that's a good thing. The standby is pretty good. Okay, you can see it comes grabbed in a Apple look-alike. You know, like you can just peel it. But since I'm gonna do like that. In the box, what comes, you know, the usual. That's the pin. My bad. That's the pin. And you know, the usual, the instruction, the guide. That's quick start guide, all that. Pretty big. Some notification going maybe. So this is the cable, micro USB, and this is the brick. Looks like quick charge, but charge under 2 hours, so it's pretty good. Nothing else in the box, so we're gonna just go straight to phone.